Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Starlink Unreachable error. So if the Starlink app says your Starlink is unreachable, just follow along. First, check that your Starlink router and dish are powered on properly. Make sure all cables are securely connected and that there is no loose connections. Next, verify that your phone is connected to your Starlink Wi-Fi network and not using mobile data or another Wi-Fi connection. After that, close your Starlink app completely and reopen it. For that, you need to close the Starlink app and then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Remove the Starlink app from the recent apps and then try opening it again. You can also try turning Wi-Fi off and then back on and then reconnect to your Starlink network. And if the error continues, restart your Starlink system by unplugging the router from power and waiting about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. You should also inspect the cable running between the router and the Starlink dish for any damage. And another fix is to update the Starlink app to the latest version from the App Store. If you're still getting the error, restart your phone and then try again. So those are some of the best ways to fix the Starlink Unreachable error. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.